Hey guys, we've gotten a lot of questions lately about how to switch from Privy to BatchLeads, specifically how to move all of your data. And it makes perfect sense. BatchLeads already has better property data, far more features like skip tracing credits, click to dial, and direct mail, so of course real estate investors are dumping Privy and moving to BatchLeads. If you're hesitant to make the switch because you think it's too hard, I have news for you. It's absurdly easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in 10 simple steps, and it's really more like 10 clicks. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing you more educational content for free. Okay, so step one. Hopefully this is the last time you'll ever need to perform this action, but you're going to log into your Privy account. Next, go to Lists. Then select all the properties or lists that you want to move to BatchLeads. Keep in mind that your Privy account has export limits, so you might want to do this right before your billing cycle resets. That way you can export as many properties as possible before canceling your account. After that, click Export, and it should instantly download an Excel file to your computer. Now we're already at step 5. See how easy this is? You're going to open your BatchLeads account and navigate to My Lists. Then you're going to click the Import button and select Bulk Import. Your interface might look a little bit different from mine, but either way, the Import button is at the top of the My List section. Step 7, upload your exported Privy file by clicking or dragging into this area right here. Next, map the correct fields. This basically means that if your Excel column says address, you'll match it to the address section in BatchLeads. The system will automatically map certain fields for you, but you can map extra fields if you like. At minimum, you need to map property address, city, state, and zip code. Before we move to step 9, I want to point out this part right here. BatchLeads automatically refreshes your property data as soon as new information becomes available. For example, if a property is vacant and it moves out of vacancy status, the system will automatically change your record. However, if you want to manage the data yourself, you'll select Self-Manage before moving on. Okay, now for step 9. You'll create a new list or choose an existing list to add these properties to. You can also add tags to help keep yourself organized. Lastly, click Submit, and that's it. Your data should start updating right away. And if you want to skip trace your files, you can do so directly in the My List section right here. There are a million reasons real estate professionals are moving from Privy to BatchLeads. It could be the skip tracing, the listing data, the real estate agent data. I mean, it goes on. The list goes on. If you're curious about how to make the most of BatchLeads, head to the help center of your BatchLeads account and check out our tutorials or our knowledge base. There might be some really cool features that you don't know about. Thank you so much for watching and for being a BatchLeads subscriber. You've made the right choice.